I failed for 6 years as a day trader, and what failing has taught me about myself is priceless. However, today I will teach you 5 key things I learned in my attempt to become a profitable trader. Now, I can't promise you won't fail because failing is inevitable. However, what I can promise is this is the best and most honest advice you will find on YouTube. So make sure you stick around, otherwise you may never find the reason why you are still failing. The first thing I learned is that if you lack risk management, you are essentially gambling. If you are risking too much of your account to where you blow your account in just a few trades, you are trading too much and you need to manage your risk. Otherwise, you will never be profitable. If you treat trading like a business, it will pay you like a business. If you treat it like it's a gamble, then you're gonna lose all your money. The second thing I learned is that you need to have a strict trading plan. Would you go out to battle the Romans without the proper armor or knowing how to fight? I don't think you would. So why in the heck would you risk your own money without knowing what you're doing or having a solid plan? I think I made my point. Number 3. Keep it simple. This is quite literally the name and the point of this YouTube channel. Why overcomplicate something that doesn't need to be complicated? Just stick to one strategy, one session, one asset. Keep it simple. Number 4. Trading gurus make unreasonable claims, so lower your expectations. The truth is, you are not going to get rich overnight, you will not get that Lambo, and you will not make $50,000 a month. Also, there is not a holy grail trading strategy, so do not fall for that BS. This brings me into the 5th thing I learned, which is, just like failing, losses are inevitable. No matter what, as a day trader, you will always lose. And if you can't handle losses, then this may not be for you. Because losses will happen no matter what you do. Not every strategy is perfect. You have to be willing to lose 30, 40, 50, 60% of your trades. Because the truth is, even professional traders on average only have a 40 to 60% win rate. So what makes you think as a beginner especially that you can do better than that? You don't need a high win rate, but you do need a better risk to reward if you are going to have lower win rate trades. I hope you guys were able to learn something valuable today from my failures. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more, and I'll see you all in the next one.